an amazing new synth called Atoms, and this is unlike any other synth plugin out there on the market. So what exactly is this plugin? You can see the interface here, and it looks pretty cool, but obviously we know sound is the name of the game. So how does this sound, and what is it, and what makes it unique? And real quick, if you want to try out this plugin for yourself, you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/atoms, and you can get a free trial of this to see how you like it yourself. And if you do decide to purchase this plugin, just be sure to use my code OAA at checkout so you can get 10% off this and all Baby Audio plugins. It is a new physical modeling synthesizer based on groundbreaking research on mass spring interaction networks. Now, I don't know about you, but I have no idea what that means. For further clarification, it simulates a system of interconnected masses and springs that vibrate to create sound when played by a virtual bow. So we got like a violin type thing here going on, but instead of hearing it play violin strings, it's playing virtual springs and masses, whatever that means. Then you have 6 pretty easy to use controls here to then dial in that sound.
So you have chaos that introduces non-linear behaviors such as
pitch and glides into tuning.
See, here I'm now by myself talking to myself. That's chaos theory.
You have force here, which controls the pressure of the bow on the mass spring network. So how hard the bow is pressing down adds noisiness from increased friction. Harmonic clipping with wave shaping function here is drive. We have order here, which adds high frequency dampening. We have overtones, which changes the position of the bowing action on the mass spring network. Higher values create sharper overtones. Then we have a simple low pass filter. So very interesting. Then we have this kind of modulation network down here. The motion and automation section here. Onboard automation system lets you create evolving organic textures with ease. Each control features a range of modulation styles. The same thing for each control up here. You can control the intensity, direction, LFO behavior, and more with its intuitive system adapted from their transit tool. So in short, this tool is designed to help you push the limits of synthesis and create unique, moving, evolving sounds that create a more interesting texture to your music. It sounds confusing, but it's actually pretty simple and easy to use. And if you're ever stuck, it has a bunch of really great randomization tools built into it so that you can, if you find a control that you like, you can lock that in and then you can randomize something else. So let's see what this does. Let's see it in action here. All right, now let's try adjusting some of these parameters and even try the randomization feature to hear what we can come up with here. So it's got this pluck here. What's what happens if we increase the chaos? Definitely can hear more of that detuning, and then if we increase this, you hear the tail end becoming detuned and the initial transient is not. So that's really cool how you can dial that in. And we got order here. let's try randomizing some things. We are going to lock in some of these parameters. So let's go to, let's keep the attack and release the same because we want it to be kind of a pluck sound. So we'll undo that and then click the dice up here. Let's roll the dice. That's pretty cool. Let's just bring back the reverb a little bit. Okay, it's really soft, like playing a really soft string and the force. You can hear how you can just already, you should be picturing how you can automate these to create some really cool moving sounds. Let's lock in the attack and release, and let's automate everything else, or randomize, I should say. That's really cool. You hear like the bow like going back and forth. Almost like a triplet kind of motion or something, I think. Pretty awesome. You can check out some more of these presets. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Some really nice sounds in here. That's pretty cool. So here you can choose the automation rate of each individual parameter, so you can see how fast that's going. Arrakis. Pretty cool. Fallout. Some cool effects. Wow, I can definitely see myself using this. That's pretty nice. Definitely try it out for free for yourself to see if you like it. And if you do, again, be sure to use my code OAA at checkout to get 20% off. And by the way, if you want more help finishing your songs faster, then be sure to grab my rapid song finishing checklist in this description below, or just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. This is completely free and will walk you through a proven system for finishing more music faster so you can get more music out there into the world. And if you like this plugin and you want to check out another awesome synth by Baby Audio, then check out my video on the screen right now. With that, have an awesome day, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.